An example of using static fields would be to define a simple class in which we would store information about the year and weeks. So let's define a new Java class with a name myCalendar with a public static final int field with a name of weekdays and value 7, and the second field, which will be year days and according value. Now you don't have to remember how many days a week and a year have, but more importantly, you can improve the readability of the code this way. In a complicated code, the use of a variable with a name looks differently than the magic number 7, which for a person using your code could say nothing. You don't need an object instance to use static components. You can refer to these variables directly through the structure class name dot and static element. So in our example we can create another class called calendar test with a main method, and now we can access those variables by telling my calendar dot and weekdays, for example.